This is the program to create table using Microsoft Word application. In this program, you are going to learn how to create the table, how to enter appropriate data into the table, how to sort the table, how to apply formulas on numeric variable. Here I am using student details as an information to this table. So first I am taking student details. So let's align this into the center. For that you can select the text and click here. You can also increase the font size and you can change the font style. So for that you have to select and choose the required font size and font style. Next thing, we'll see how to insert table. For that you have to click on Insert tab. There you have to select the table. Now you have to select the required column and row. So I am taking 5 columns and 5 rows. Here I am taking student name, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3 and total. Here I am taking student names, you can also add the number of rows and the number of columns as your requirement even after you choose the table. Like for that what you have to do is, if you want to add one more row, then you have to click here and right click, select insert. Here they'll give the option as insert columns to the left. So you can insert the column to the left or you can insert the column to the right. You can insert the row above this. So wherever I have clicked, you can insert above that or you can insert the row below that. You can also insert only one cell. So here I want to insert one more row below. So in this way you can add. Now we'll give marks. Next we'll see how to sort the table. So here you can sort the table by selecting the names. First you have to select the names. Usually we arrange the names in an alphabetical order. So for that you have to select the name. So in the first column, click on layout. Here you have to click A to Z sort. It will ask for the requirement, that is which column do you want to sort. So here by default, since I have selected this, you have got column 1. Of course you can also sort column 2, column 3, you can change according to your requirement. Then it will also give the option like whether you want ascending order or descending order. So usually we go with the ascending order. By default it is selected. Click on OK. So here you can see the name column, so that is the first column, is sorted in ascending order. So next thing what we need to do is we have to calculate the total marks. For that you have to click on layouts. Here you have to select formula. So by default here what you can see is equals sum of left. That means here it is taking the function sum, that is summation function, and from where it is taking it will add all the values which comes left to this cell. So at present you can see my cursor is pointed in this particular cell. So what it will do is it will take the values, all the values which are left to this. So here I am using what? First I have to click on formulas. So by default it is sum of left. You have to click on OK. Here you can change this function. Suppose if you want subtraction, division, multiplication, you can change these functions based upon your requirements. So click on OK. Again you have to go to this cell, click on formula. So here it is taking as above, but I don't want above. I want all the values to be added from the left. So I will change this to left. Click on OK. Again left, OK. So again go to formula, change it to left. Click on OK. Click on OK. Again go to this cell, click on OK. So if I give above, it will add all the values which are above this. So I wanted the left one, so I chose it as a left one. Here you can see manually I am going to each of the cell and using the formula, but this is not the case in the MS Excel. So that's why it is very useful for performing calculation. So you can also underline this, select this and click on underline. So after doing all this, you have to save this program. For that you have to click on file, select save as. So in the desired document you can save this. So you can see here it is an .doc extension. It is in the extension of .document. So DOCX is used for extension of document. Click on save. So your program is saved. Here you can see student details .document. So it is what? So this is in the title bar. Thank you.